You can change the font of a control inherited node by going to Theme Overrides, selecting Fonts, selecting the empty, hitting Quick Load, and selecting your font. Alternatively, if you are using a label, you can add a new label settings, select it, go to Font, and set the font here as well. Finally, you can set the font in GDScript by grabbing the node, calling Add Theme Font Override, then putting font as the name of the property you want to change, then loading the custom font. Now, if you intend to use a custom font for every piece of text within your game, go to Project Settings. Under GUI, go to Theme. Next to the custom font, select the folder icon and select your font. Make sure you save and restart for this to take effect. Now, if you want to change the font of the Godot editor, then go to Editor, Editor Settings, and under the Interface Editor, enable Advanced Settings, scroll down, and select the main font folder icon and select your font. You can also change the font of the GDScript code as well. Keep in mind though that any changes made to the editor settings are shared across all projects, including the Godot Project Manager.